Fine. Okay.
Okie dokie.
All right. So do you want me to go through the process of setting up the
Yes.
all right, let me just make sure that this is fully, there we go. Okay. So we're going to do the iron condor. So let me go ahead to the SPX. And the XPS is trading at 73.88. It's actually a bearish day. It's down about
About
23 points.
23, 24 points. Okay.
Okay. All right. So we are going to actually go to our option chain. Do you want to do the one DTE? Let's stick to the one DTE today. Okay. So
Why don't you do
tomorrow,
both? Your seven and your one.
yeah, but we've been doing, because the thing is that I haven't had enough money to do 6 contracts in the one DTE as well as the 7 DTE.
So, okay. So, I'm thinking.
So I just want to be very mindful about that. So we could definitely do the one DTE today, or we could do the 7-day DTE for next week. And when I get back next week, we could resume to the one DTE.
Okay, do one DT then. I guess you want to do that.
Okay, but let me just make sure, because I want to talk through this, because since I'm on vacation, I really don't want to, be bothered with having
No,
to
it's
check every day.
best to do the seven DT. So that
Right. Yeah, do the 7 DTA for this week, and then next week we can resume with the one DTE.
yes,
Yeah. Okay, great. All right, so we're going to do 7 days. And 7 days is going to be, oh, you know what? We usually do it for Tuesday on
Tuesday. So make it eight.
8 days. Yeah. Okay, great. All right, nice. So August 4th, which is perfect. Because I do get back on Monday, and this way on Tuesday, I could be settled and put everything behind me.
That's perfect. So this
Yeah.
way you can enjoy your family reunion.
Yeah, exactly. The rest of it, I won't have to be bothered with any other things that might be unexpected if the market changes. And then I'm just all over
Exactly.
the place. Yeah. All right. So, okay. So we're going to start with the call side, and we're going to look at what that 10 delta looks like.
Mhm, mhm.
Okay, so right now the 10 delta on the call side is 75.80.
Okay.
So I'm going to click that. I'm going to click the bid price. And I'm going to change the contracts to six contracts, and it's set for August 4th. And we're going to do a 10-point spread on this. So 785 is going to go down to 795 on the ask
Mhm.
side. So that actually gives us $1.15.
Okay.
So I'm going to execute the put side since it's an iron condor. All right, so we're going to go up to the puts. We're going to say more and look at that 10 delta on the put side as well.
Mhm.
Okay, so the 10 delta on the put side is 790. So we're going to
So what I would do,
go up to it like a 9 or 8.
maybe even a seven. Give yourself even more room.
Okay,
Cause see, right now you can get almost $10 for a 10 delta.
okay,
Maybe even go lower,
like 6.
or maybe five.
Okay,
Yeah, about a five delta.
okay, 5 delta. Okay,
Because
so
you're already collecting $1 something on the call side.
okay, So let's do 69.75. And 10 points from that is going to be
Oh, there's not no 10-point wide. That's the problem.
okay.
So what you can do is maybe 15 points wide on the put side. So
Okay, 15 points wide, 5, 10, 15 right here. Okay. That's $1.60. So why are these premiums so high?
um my guess is volatility. Is spiked.
Okay, so when you say you're guessing the volatility.
Truthfully, I haven't really checked, but I'm guessing volatility, right? Because I did get like a text on alert this morning about gas price or oil spiking and stuff like that. It's
So the other day we had last week, I think, or a couple of weeks ago, we had a conversation about gamma.
well, right now we're
So,
not worrying about gamma because gamma,
right, because of the time value, right? That's
right?
associated with
That
it.
that's really on a 0 and 1 date. You got to really worry about gamma
Right.
or
Okay. All right.
7,
Okay.
monthly. But as you get closer to expiration, that's when gamma really kicks in.
Okay. All right. So ooh, didn't mean to do that. Okay, what did I just do? Okay. Option chain. It actually filled in here anyways. Um, we got on the call side, 785 and 790. Well, that's 10 points. Yeah, 10 points
Yeah,
different. And then
yeah.
on the
So it's
put
kind of
side,
skewed more towards the. In other words, your risk is more to the put side because you're going
mhm,
15 points wide instead of 10 points wide.
right.
So it's more skewed to the put side, but that's okay. You get.
Because we're kind of far out. Yeah, because it's 73, 83. And on the short side, um, how many points is that? I don't have my
You're
calculator with me.
15 points wide on the short. I mean,
Okay.
oh, you mean from the
From
I'm
this today's
sorry,
price, from
from
today's
today's
price.
price. My apologies. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'll just do some quick math. Yeah. I hate doing. Okay. So 73.85. Okay. Um, let's do both. Let's do 69.60.
No, 69.75. That's what we care about. How far are you
69.75.
away from that?
Oh, you just want to care about the this one? Okay.
On the short, that's
Okay.
what we care about.
0, 1, 13. That's 410 points apart.
Okay.
Yeah, 410. Okay. All right, great. So, all right, so let's go ahead and execute it. Review. Um, let me just make sure, August 4th, okay. 75.85, 75.95, and then 69.75, and 69.60. Okay, send.
See, if you look at the graph, even though you're closer to the call side, but your risk is more towards the put side because
Okay.
that's why the red is longer.
Mhm. Okay, so um let's take a look at why it didn't
Now
fill.
you want to set your closing order.
Well, not it hasn't filled yet.
Oh, it
So
hasn't filled yet. Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Okay, so let me go to my positions here. Okay, it's teetering between 155, 160, it looks like.
Yeah, just give it a few.
Okay.
Let me see. So
I think we should edit it to 155, maybe.
go ahead. Of course, you're using the Thinkorswim platform.
Okay. Maybe we should go down to 150 if it doesn't fill.
What's the mid price on it? Click on activity, yeah, or do it that way, yeah.
155.
Fail.
So let's go down to 150.
But
It filled at 150. So now we can put our close order, our close order
okay,
in. Okay, so if it gets down to
50 cents, you
50
collect a
cents.
nice dollar.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna hit review and
You put
send.
GTC.
You know what? Let me delete that. Okay, close selected. And 0.50 and day is GTC. There we go. Review. Send. Okay, so we are all set. So let's go over to,
Don't need to do anything in your Fidelity this week. Let's just,
no, I want to put something in my Fidelity. So what we're going to do, we could do that later, but because that doesn't have to be part of this video.
right.
Okay, so, but what I want to do is show how much I've collected so far, even though that's not going to be my, what my profit is going to be, because it usually shows like when we go into positions.
No, you'll make about should it close at 50 cents, you'll make about $600.
Right, but see, I think it's also good to show this, like what we've done, right? When we apply our filters.
Mhm.
Okay, so so we just do this. And it shows you here that we sold we sold 6 contracts. And even though it says $900, by the time it closes out, it's going to be, like you said, around $600.
Yeah,
Right. Okay.
$600 you'll make in a week.
Right. And when we actually, like, for instance, it usually closes out, like if it does get down to that point where it closes out, sometimes we'll close out tomorrow or the next day or the following day, whatever. So we could
Right.
always come back to this and show what we actually collected.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right, great. So can I stop now? Can I stop
Yes, you
recording?
can.
Okay.